Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from NexusPay to your Rocket wallet easily. If you want to move funds from your NexusPay account to Rocket, you first need to link your DBBL account with the Rocket app. So let's get started. First, open the Rocket app on your phone. On the home screen, tap on Add DBBL. On the next screen, select your card type. In this example, I'll choose Nexus Debit Card. After that, you'll see some instructions explaining how to link your DBBL account. Read the instructions, then tap Next. Now complete the account linking process. I have already linked my account, so I'll go back to the home screen. Once your account is linked, tap on Bank Transfer. On the next screen under From, tap Select Account and choose your DBBL account. Then under To, tap Select Account again and choose Rocket. Now enter the amount you want to transfer. After entering the amount, tap on Submit. On the confirmation screen, press and hold the arrow button to confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, your transfer will be processed, and the funds will be sent successfully from your DBBL account to your Rocket wallet. And that's it. This is how you can transfer money from NexusPay to Rocket easily. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.